You may already have a case for your expensive iPhone, and Apple Care Plus has saved us a bundle in the past, but a screen protector is a logical addition. The last thing you want in your busy life is to have to get a cracked screen fixed. When it comes to buying a screen protector, though, it can be hard to know where to start. Many may look similar, but they're not all the same. While there are a number of things to consider when shopping for the best iPhone screen protector, the number one thing is the glass itself. The whole point is to protect your screen. If the protector isn't up to snuff, you could still end up with cracks. To make sure your Apple device is always protected, we've put together a list of the best iPhone protectors for a number of different models and use cases. Number 1. M-Film One Touch Glass Screen Protector. What happens if you drop your phone with a screen protector already applied? The protector absorbs the shock and cracks instead of your phone screen. This is why it's important to buy an iPhone screen protector made from tempered glass with a hardness of 9H. The M-Film One Touch Glass Screen Protector fulfills this requirement and does it at a superb price. It's also scratch and fingerprint resistant. Installation of screen protectors can be tricky. To make this process as easy as possible, the M-Film One Touch Glass Screen Protector includes not one but two installers and screens, so you have one for next time. It also includes two sets of dust removal stickers, wet wipes, dust removal covers, and microfiber cloths to ensure your screen is debris-free during application. Some users have reported issues with installation, so be sure to read the instruction manual first. This one is made for past iPhone generations. You're in luck if you're shopping for a screen protector for the new iPhone 15. It's available for the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. Number 2. Adjust Blue Light Blocking Screen Protector. With so much time spent in front of screens, many will want something to cut blue light. While you could get special glasses, it might be easier to go with a blue light blocking screen protector for your iPhone. iJust is a leader in blue light blocking, using technology originally developed by NASA. iJust's blue light blocking screen protector for the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and 14 cuts intrusive blue light while remaining clear for viewing. It's also anti-smudge, scratch resistant, and, with its 5 different nano layers of tempered glass, anti-shatter. While there's no installer, the package does include a dust removal sticker and microfiber cloth. While considerably more expensive than regular screen protectors, if you're at all concerned about blue light then this is a must-have. It looks like it's not available for the iPhone 15 line just yet. We'll update it with that info when it becomes available, but in the meantime, check out the Magless Blue Light Screen Guard, which is compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Number 3. JE Tech Full Coverage Screen Protector. While it's always a good idea to buy the best iPhone screen protector that you can afford, sometimes you need to go for the budget option. Thankfully, JE Tech's full coverage screen protector for the iPhone Pro offers protection for your device at a very affordable price, and even includes 3 screens. This screen protector from JE Tech may be inexpensive, but it's still high quality. It's made from 9H tempered glass, so your own screen will be duly protected. It's also water and scratch resistant, perfect for life on the go. And, as you'll be touching your phone with your fingers, there's an oleophobic coating to whisk away sweat and oil. While there's unfortunately no installer, the JE Tech Full Coverage Screen Protector comes with sticker guides and other accessories to get you ready for installation. Number 4. Spigen Glass.Dr Easy Fit Tempered Glass Screen Protector. When it comes to iPhone screen protectors, you want one that's durable and won't let you down when gravity grabs a hold of your phone. Spigen's Glass.Dr X-Fit Tempered Glass Screen Protector is famous for its durability. With tempered glass with a 9H hardness rating, it will be there for your iPhone screen when you need it most. Durability isn't everything, though. There's also the matter of getting the screen protector onto your phone. In that area, Spigen's model also comes up trumps, with an installer that makes getting the screen applied with no bubbles a breeze. And, should you, unfortunately, make a mistake during application, the package includes an extra screen just in case. Other points that make this the best overall iPhone screen protector include transparency to preserve the original brightness, camera coverage, an oil-free, and oleophobic, aka anti-oil, coating to resist smudges, and water repellency. While this version supports iPhone 14, 13, and 13 Pro, there is support for other models as well. You can find it for the new iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. Number 5. JE Tech Privacy Screen Protector. Most screen protectors are designed to be as clear as possible, ensuring viewing brightness remains unchanged. However, these do nothing to prevent the people around you from seeing what you're looking at. If this is a concern for you, you need a privacy screen protector, one that is transparent from head-on but blacked out from the side. JE-Tech's Privacy Screen Protector for the iPhone 14 has all of the features that you would expect from an iPhone screen protector, including oleophobic coating to resist fingerprints and guides to help with installation. It also stops those in your periphery from seeing what you're doing on your phone. The package includes 2 screens plus a rear camera lens protector with night circles to improve photography performance in low-light situations. The price also can't be beat.